Hey, my juicy fruits. So thank y'all for clicking this video to watch today. I'm SweetJuicy, and in today's episode of the Juicy Show, we're just going to show some clips from when I've been doing some work like cleaning. I had so many long clips, but I condensed them down to a small clip. So what you're going to see first is me cleaning out my closet. Then I'm going to be doing a little cleaning at the shop, mopping, and then we're going to do a rental property clean out. So you know how sometimes I have content, I have images, I have clips in my phone that I need to get out, so I just condensed all of that down and put it into a few clips. So I hope y'all enjoy this little cleanup video with me, and if y'all like these kind of cleaning videos, I'll start to make those for you. So again, thank y'all for hanging with me today. If that's something you would like to see, stay tuned. Oh yeah, my hair is gonna be looking a mess, and that's the reason why I cut down so many clips, because baby, I was looking a mess, and then what would you expect? So that's that about that. Let's get into it. It is in such disarray, so my intention is to downsize and just make it look better. So if that's something you're interested in, watching me clean this closet, try to straighten it out some kind of way, stay tuned. And I'm just in the closet and cleaning my closet. On the back, here's another one. I haven't worn this in a while. And am I gonna wear it? I don't know. Where did I get this from? I think this came from either Fashion Nova, maybe. Let's see. Did this come from Shein? I don't know. I said Fashion Nova, but it don't have a Fashion Nova tag. So maybe I got it from, maybe I did get it from Shein. So it has the one leg right here with these two colors. So I haven't wore this. I think I wore it on a video last, like one of my lookbooks, I guess you would call it. So we're gonna keep that. We're keeping this. And see, I'm getting off while I'm talking. I'm getting off. So we're gonna take a break. I need to get to this other side of the closet. So I'm listening to my Bible in between, doing this with y'all. I'm listening to Ezekiel, the whole full chapter of Ezekiel, and whatever comes after that as it keeps playing. So multitasking, edifying my mind, cleaning my closet, making a video. Did I say exercise? Multitasking. So these are all my jumpers right here. So I'm gonna kind of get this situated. When I come back, I should be at that side. I'm not coming back till I'm on that side. Wait, but baby, this Bible here, ooh, Jesus. And this was my Message Bible. The first Bible I had there was the Message version. I got this from my coworker, Jerry. He gave me this Bible and the newest Bible I'm using now. So right now it's still just sitting here because I don't know what to do with the old Bible. Okay, so in this container we have sunglasses and sunglass cases, and so now we're finna downsize on sunglasses. It's the ones that I wear often in this little 2 container. So they're stored in these, the ones that I kind of wear often. I kind of just stored here my Vapor Max and my regular white Pumas, these Pumas. I'm wearing my waist trainer. So ladies, y'all know when you wear your waist trainer how it puts you up. You have back fat, and then it pushes some down, so you have extra fat at the butt and all kind of stuff. So I'm just looking at well, at my back. I'm like, oh, that's my waist trainer pushing all that. That's a mess. Okay, y'all, back to cleaning. I hope y'all enjoying this video. Press the thumbs up, and yeah, baby, this ain't nothing nobody want nobody to see, but here we have it, the World Wide Web and SweetJuicy.